Tapestry crochet is a technique in which images or patterns are created using 2 or more colored yarns. The magic of tapestry crochet is that practically any picture can be depicted. Here are some examples of what you can make with tapestry crochet. You can make bags, pillows, you can make sashes that you could wear to special occasions such as graduations, and I've even made ponchos. As you can see, tapestry crochet allows me to add a lot of intricate detail to my pieces. I have even added up to 12 colors into a piece. This is what you will learn in this course. In section 2, you will learn basic crochet techniques. You will learn how to create the foundation and learn the forward single crochet stitch. You will then learn how to crochet backwards with the backwards single crochet stitch. In section 3, you will learn how to add multiple colors and how to carry the yarn. You will practice creating crisp, horizontal, and diagonal lines using the diamond rule. The diamond rule forms the basis of crisp color changes. You will then learn how to use a hexagonal chart for patterns. You will also practice making more complex designs using up to 4 colors in a project. Finally, in section 4, you will create a beautiful pillow that will tie the course together. This beautiful pillow will serve as a reminder of your new skill. With these fundamental lessons, you will be able to incorporate multiple colors in your crochet pieces with minimal color bleeding and create beautiful art. I am confident that if you complete all the practice assignments, you will be able to master tapestry crochet.